and now they're all black. Mick and Jordan did a fucking awesome job. We got our premium OEM quality coil packs here. And I went and picked up some NGK spark plugs. Basically exactly what we need. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it all back together, and I'm hoping that that's what was causing my misfire. Hoping she runs fine after that, so I guess we're about to see. Literally ripped this coil in half trying to pull it out. I don't know what the issue is, but that may have been what the issue was. This thing just came right apart. I don't know if that's normal or not. It's never happened to me. And coils are in, all strapped up, all plugged in. Lines are all secure. Now we just need to put her all back together. Let's get to it. Battery's hooked up, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up and pray for the best. Seems to be good. It's a little bit smoky. You can tell some oil dropped down in there. Oh yeah, we're running nice and healthy. Yes, that is awesome. Thank God, because it is hot here and I need a little bit of a break. But all we got left to do now is the fenders. We got these bad boys right here. Well, she seems to be running all right. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fenders on, and hopefully we'll be able to catch a cruise. The next town over is actually hosting a little bit of a cruise night, so I'm gonna try to get down there and get you guys a little bit of footage, but I gotta get my fenders thrown on, so I'll catch you in a little bit. Oh yeah, she's looking good, guys. I actually forgot to mention, we did a little something special. There is no more emblem hole. Yep, we filled in the space there. It is looking so good. I cannot believe I almost forgot to tell you guys about that. Just looking like a complete car again. I'm so excited. But alright guys, like I said again, that's going to be the end of the video. So I appreciate you all showing up and watching. And yeah. Peace.